How to make Instagram account private. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here, you're gonna find different section. Under who can see your content, you're gonna find the option account privacy. Click on it. Now enable for this option private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. No one can reuse your content. All reels, posts, and stories that previously used your content in features such as remixes, sequences, templates, or stickers will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account, within 24 hours, they will be restored. Click on Switch to Private. And just with that, you have made your Instagram account private. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.